Perhaps teleportation is still something far away from our reality. More of a concept we can imagine being integrated into our everyday lives, isn't it? Although, of course, if it did exist, it would be the fastest way to travel from one point to another, wouldn't it? While this is not yet possible, there is an alternative that is much faster than conventional means of transportation. Want to know what it is? Stick around and find out. Development. Imagine a revolutionary transportation system that whisks you from one place to another at breakneck speeds with minimal friction and virtually no emissions. How is this possible? The Hyperloop is like the train of the future, but even more amazing. How does it work? Imagine giant tubes similar to those used in some offices to send mail, but instead of sending letters, they propel people and cargo at dizzying speeds. These tubes are hermetically sealed and contain very little air, which reduces drag and allows the capsules to move at incredible speeds. But what's most exciting is that Hyperloop is an open-source project. What does that mean? It means that anyone can contribute to its development and improvement. Imagine being part of a team of engineers building the future of transportation. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to make history. Speaking of history, did you know that the concept of a vac train that inspired the Hyperloop dates back to the early 20th century? It's amazing how an idea from so long ago is now on the verge of becoming an exciting reality. Projects. For example, Hyperloop has generated significant interest in the business and academic communities today, leading to the creation of various projects around the world. Some of the more notable projects include Transpod. First, we have Transpod, a Canadian company based in Toronto that is developing a Hyperloop system that is expected to be commercially viable by 2020. The system is designed to run on renewable energy sources such as self-sustaining solar power, reducing emissions and eliminating fuel dependency. Transpod has achieved speeds similar to Hyperloop 1 and is targeting a capsule capacity of 10 tons. Virgin Hyperloop 1. We also have Virgin Hyperloop 1, an American company based in Los Angeles that is working on developing a Hyperloop system. The company has built a prototype capsule and tube structure and is working with governments and investors worldwide to establish commercial agreements to make their Hyperloop 1 system a reality. Virgin Hyperloop 1 has reached speeds of 177 km per hour in just over a second, and is looking to explore potential routes and advance early projects. Hyperloop Transportation Technology (HTT). On the other hand, there's Hyperloop Transportation Technology, a U.S. company based in Playa Vista, California that is developing a Hyperloop system. The company has signed agreements with governments and investors worldwide to build Hyperloop routes and has achieved speeds of 1,200 km per hour in live tests. Zeleros. Not to be left out of this list, Zeleros is a Spanish company that aims to lead the development of a new high-speed, sustainable transportation method in Europe inspired by Hyperloop. The company is focused on developing vehicles and levitation systems and is establishing key collaborations to develop the rest of the technology lines. About Arrivo. Arrivo is a U.S. company founded by former Hyperloop 1 executive Brogan Bam. Brogan that is developing a Hyperloop system. The Boring Company. The Boring Company, founded by Elon Musk, is dedicated to building tunnels for Hyperloop capsules to travel through. SpaceX. Speaking of Elon Musk's companies, we can't leave out SpaceX, which is developing the capsules that will be tested at SpaceX facilities. DGW Hyperloop. We have DGW Hyperloop, an Indian company developing Hyperloop technology to provide fast and efficient transportation. The company is focused on creating a transportation system in which capsules float through nearly empty tubes at very high speeds. DGW Hyperloop has established collaborations with companies, governments, and organizations around the world to advance Hyperloop development. The company is based in Indore, India, and is currently in the seed stage. Heart Global Mobility. And let's not forget Heart Global Mobility, a Dutch company developing a Hyperloop system. These projects represent the global effort to develop Hyperloop technology and its application to passenger and freight transportation. As they progress in development and testing, these systems are expected to provide fast, efficient, and sustainable transportation in the future. The Hyperloop represents a bold vision for the future of transportation, promising to revolutionize the way we travel with its combination of high speed, efficiency, and sustainability. Although it still faces significant challenges, progress in projects around the world suggests that the Hyperloop could indeed be the next big thing in transportation technology. With each successful prototype and test, we are one step closer to realizing the dream of traveling at supersonic speeds on land. Until then, like this video and share it with your friends. See you next time.